Hey, are you one of those people who can't wear synthetic hair or braiding hair because of the chemicals or the toxins or whatever that's in it? Then check this out. I know it's crazy for you to have to go to the hair salon, get your extensions, and you got your braids going, and you looking cute, and you leave out, and you go home, and then your scalp start itching, your scalp start turning red, maybe start swelling and scabbing, and you just like, whoa, hold on now, like you just got the style and you're trying to figure out how to salvage it, or should you just take it out altogether because your scalp is just so irritated that this not gonna last no more than a day or two. I know this may take some effort, but after you go to the hair store and buy your hair, take it home and do this. You're gonna detox your synthetic hair or your braiding hair to prep you for your installation. Trust me, detoxing your synthetic hair or your braiding hair is gonna be well worth the effort because you're gonna be wearing the latest styles that you desire without no hassle. And besides, your health comes first. Okay, so the hair I'm going to be detoxing today is called Futures Braid by Shake and Go.
Let's go.
It's pre-stretched to 18 inches and it's in the color 30.
Okay, so how you do it?
So instead of using your pots in the kitchen, go ahead and buy you like a small container. I got this container for $1 at Family Dollar and it did wonders, okay?
Oh yeah, I don't want no hair in my food. I can't have that.
Nah, we can't have that. So all right, so we're gonna fill a bucket up, not too far up, but halfway.
Okay.
Get your apple cider vinegar.
What?
You can use any apple cider vinegar. I know some people might beg to differ, but over here we bougie on the budget. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so pour some in. You can measure it, or you can just kind of eyeball it to like 1:4 ratio, 1:4 ratio. All right, so you're gonna put the hair in. Make sure you push it down. I don't like to push it down with my hand because, you know, the vinegar is strong. And I don't want no vinegar smelling
It do be stink
on my hand. So, all right. So just push it down. Submerge it. Make sure you get it nice and coated and saturated. Okay. After you do that, you're going to get a fan and you're going to set it somewhere to where it can air dry. All right. You don't want to put any heat to it because you don't want to change the texture of the hair. So after it's dry, you can go ahead and style as desired. This right here, this is actually the next day. So yeah, this is how it look.
How it smell?
And it don't smell like vinegar. I know some people may think that it might smell stank or something, but this is good. It smells good. We done. I've seen so many women struggle with this situation, so this is the solution. And if you need any more hair tips on black tutorials or tips, tricks, or hacks, then hit me up, follow me, and I got you.